tonight we plan to go out and experience the nightlife. Mag-take out lang ako ng dinner namin. We think of having pad thai. Mag-take out na lang ako ng pad thai. May pad thai lady dito eh. Oh, ito. 60 baht lang. He's currently preparing it. So 60 each. So that's 120 baht. Outside of 7-Eleven. Tapos maraming stalls. May mga tables doon for dine-in. Tapos katabi lang siya ng road. So I've got my pad thai. I'm just trying to look for something else. Kasi baka bitin yung pad thai. I want something protein like fried chicken. Wala na rin yung nagtitira. Ayun, ito yung sinasabi kong parang masarap na fried chicken. Kaso wala na rin siya. Uwi na lang ako with just the pad thai. Lalabas pa naman kami mamaya. This is our hotel. Picnic hotel. 12 midnight na pala sa Pinas, 11 PM pa lang dito. And we're going out, we're just waiting for our Grab. We're going to Patpong Night Market. Pero magna-nightlife kami, hindi kami magna-night market. Yeah, Patpong. Pupunta kami sa Silom, which is a party area. Silom kami pupunta, which is mga baklaan area. Kasi hindi naman kami magwawalwal. Fairness, medyo malayo yung Silom from our hotel, pero 98 baht lang yung Grab namin. Grabe yung mga ano dito, yung mga weeds dito, nandito lang. Tsaka paraphernalia. Ito lang. Grabe, kabila yung marijuana. Kakain kami sa bahay. I'll have instant noodles, creamy tom yum. We're back at the hotel. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Mag-snack lang kami and we'll go to bed na. So until my next Bangkok vlog, bye-bye!